Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspireToRise.com and today we are going to unbox and review the OnePlus Bullets V2 earphones. So inside what you get is the bill for this one and you get the original box. Now it's time to open up the box, which is quite small, and they have made quite a compact form factor. Branding etc is very minimal on this one, looks quite good, and when you open it up you see the never settle trademark by OnePlus. So never settle. I think that's not a good trademark for people with families, so don't take it to the heart. Inside you also get few different sized earbuds which you can use, but I like the default one so I didn't change that. And then there's the OnePlus Bullets V2. So let's just open this up. So inside there's the never settled trademark again. And what else do you get? You get the V2 earphones. So these earphones have got quite a premium build, flat cable and rich audio. If you talk about the technical specifications, it has a frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, impedance rating of 240 ohms, and a 9mm driver on the inside. What I didn't particularly like was the fact that these earbuds are quite small. So I have used something like Tech Fusion Twin Woofer, and have also used Zook's Jazz Rhythm earphones, which according to me are one of the best in the sub 2K category. So these are not really that good when it comes to in-ear design. The cable is 1.25 meters long, which is good enough, and it would be available in black as well as white colors. What I didn't particularly like was that despite of the flat cable, it sometimes got tangled up. The inline remote control comes with a microphone and 3 buttons. You can jump forward and backwards in your playlist by holding down your volume buttons. Long pressing the center button would let you summon up your Google Assistant or something else. Each of the earbuds just weighs around 2 grams each, so that's something that I particularly liked. If you are a fitness enthusiast like me, you would be using these earbuds while you are in the gym, and often we tend to put our hands on these while gymming. So what happens is that if you happen to do something like that, it would remove from the 3.5mm jack, but the fit in your ear would be secure as ever. So that's positive for this one. But what's not really positive is the fact that it has got a good sound quality, but I did not find the bass to be like extremely thumpy as I had seen on the Jazz Rhythm earphones by Zook. So that one is still my favorite pick below 1500 rupees, but the price for this one, which is around 1200 INR, justifies the overall build quality, design, and I feel that these earphones would still last almost more than a year for me. So guys, this was it for this video. Do like, do subscribe, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise. And next on Inspire to Rise, watch as ANJ reviews a new phone by Asus.
आग लगा दी आग लगा दी आग लगा दी